What do state standards and coffee have in common? How do you like your cup of coffee? Every one of us has a particular way that they want their cup of coffee fixed. When you walk up to a barista in a coffee shop, you tell her, "I'd like a tall, triple shot latte made with almond milk. Let's put in some vanilla flavoring, heavy on the foam, and can you put some of those cinnamon sprinkles on top?" So the connection here to standards is that with your cup of coffee, you're very specific. You don't just go up to a barista and say, "Make me a good cup of coffee." That's essentially what we're doing when we're giving feedback to our students. When we give a child an 80% on a test, we're saying, "You did pretty good." We're not being very specific about the areas in which they did great. They passed that particular skill that was assessed. And we're certainly not telling them about the 20% that they missed. Which skills did they miss? Where do they remediate? How can they focus their study time? And how can they use the 80% that they did pass to start seeing themselves as empowered learners? When a child is empowered in their learning and when they can be a partner in their educational process, everything is impacted. Classroom management is changed because children are engaged. Differentiation is made easier because students can self-select into groups. The only problem with this is that the data collection needed to make this possible is often time-consuming and tedious. It's often paper and pencil based, and traditional gradebooks don't meet the need. That's how Sifu can help. Sifu automates the tracking process. Sifu is an administrative assistant in your pocket. It's amazing how easy it is to input data into Sifu. The data is immediately available in charts and graphs that you can share with your student. That's the specific type of data we're looking for. There's your cup of coffee. Okay. It's important to us that Sifu is 100% American-made. So we're working with programmers in Arizona. Our website, it'll be hosted in Florida. Our stickers, they're made in upstate New York, and even our t-shirts, well, they're American-made too, in California and locally screen-printed in our hometown, Colorado Springs. Please consider backing this project. For the cost of a cup of coffee for a week, you can help create Sifu and make this tool accessible to children across this nation.